All right, so the last method to create this configuration, I actually mentioned in another lecture that you cannot delete an active configuration, but I did not illustrate it, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, I happen to have that command saved. So here, deleting named configuration failed because configuration is set as active. So when you want to delete a configuration, you have to activate another one first, and then you can delete whichever configuration you're trying to delete. Okay, I'm going to quickly delete the auth as well. Alright, so that is clean. Clear the screen. Okay, so now here you can do gcloud config configurations, and I just use the tab, so you don't have to guess what command exactly, especially when you start working with multiple tools. One place it's called create, another place it'll be called init, so the autocomplete comes in really handy anyway. So once again, delete me. So in this case, when we list this config, there's absolutely nothing. Basically, it's completely empty, and we're gonna have to start from the very beginning. Okay, so we have the profile created. Okay, and we should be able to get the list of projects and set it for us, and the command is gcloud projects list. Okay, so now it's telling us you can use gcloud auth login, or you can use this, and this is the part where this way of setting the profile comes in handy, but we haven't really talked about the service accounts, so I will cover this part in the service account section. But the regular part that you can use here is gcloud auth login, and it will basically do the exact same thing that it will do in the normal way. Okay, and now it's telling us you can find the project list and set project. Well, let me show you guys first that it's not set. Okay, so gcloud projects list. Okay, and it helps. Set project. And we go back. That's the way we want it. And we would talk about the service accounts in the IAM section. Gets a little advanced, so don't worry about it for now. Thank you guys, and that should be the end of everything gcloud SDK. Well, in the order that I'm going. Thanks guys.